Effects of Technology on the Environment, presented by Laura Stephanie Bernal. Negative and positive effects of technology. The positive and negative aspects of technology in the world are evident in today's society. For example, technology providing easy of access to different forms of communications, but at the same time can generate a violation of privacy as a result of its use. Positive: easy of communication, access of information, improves quality of life, improve the quality of education, the birth of social networks. Negative: environmental pollutions, dependence and disorders, violation of personal security and society, job decline, weakening of some skills. How we see the future on our planet? I think that if we continue like this, we will have to face the consequences in the future. We will find fatal results. This is more important than the economic gains that companies can get, because without Mother Earth we cannot live. Unfortunately, we are not the only human beings affected with this factor, but also the defenseless animals, which many times because of men have been left homeless and without food. In recent times, men become a hook threat to animals, because men are in the danger, have disappeared because we destroy their natural habitat of life and every kill them. This is why there are more and more species on the way of extinctions. Pollution in rivers had killed thousands of fish. Illegal hunting, indiscriminate felling on trees of simpler unexpected changes in the ecosystem, and is happening right now. How to mitigate the environmental damage? Solar energy uses, less weather, cleaner lives, energy saving, sustainable constructions, reusing materials, minimize waste, energy, and waste recovery.